Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install MongoDB. Topics covered within this video are: first, we will see definition of MongoDB. After that, how to install. In that, we will see how to install MongoDB, MongoDB Shell, and MongoDB Compass. After that, we will see CRUD operations on MongoDB. Let's start with video. So what is the MongoDB? MongoDB is an open source document oriented database that is used to store large scale of data and also allows you to work with that data very efficiently. Means what? It is open source documented database and its purpose is to store large amount of data, and it allows you to work with that data. Okay, so this was the definition of MongoDB. Now we'll see CRUD operations on MongoDB. So what is meaning of CRUD operation? This CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. If we are creating a database, to access that data or to store that data, we need some operations. These operations are called CRUD operations, or we can define it as these are the methods of interacting with MongoDB server are called CRUD operations. Means by using these operations, we can communicate. So let's start with video. We will download MongoDB. So open your web browser. We'll open the Google Chrome. Within that, type MongoDB download. Now see, it is showing official website for MongoDB. First one is having MongoDB community server download. After that, it is showing the shell download. After that, MongoDB community download. So we'll open the first one, MongoDB community server download. We can download it for free. So it is showing the current version available, and it is for Windows 64-bit and packages MSI. So we'll download this. Just click on download button. Now download has been started. Now download is completed. So open this folder. As it is MSI file, so just double click on it. Now it is showing welcome screen for installation of MongoDB. So just click on next button. Here it is showing license and agreement. So just check this box. I accept terms in license and agreement. So just click on next button. After this, it is showing two options, complete and custom type of installation. So we'll go for complete installation. Click on complete installation. After this, we want to install MongoDB as a service. So check this first box and select this radio button, that is a run service as network service user. After this, we have to add this service name as a MongoDB. It is by default given, and here it is showing with the path for installation. So just keep it as it is and click on next button. Now see, it is showing step for installation of MongoDB Compass also. So MongoDB Compass is nothing but it is a graphical tool for MongoDB. So just check this box and click on next button. Again click on. Here setup is completed. So just click on finish button. Now see, it is showing message Compass installed. successfully. So just minimize this window. Now see, on same page from where we have started installation of MongoDB, on the same page, if you see towards left side, it is showing the multiple options. In the tools is there, and within tools MongoDB shell is there. So just click on MongoDB shell. Now it is showing file to download MongoDB. So latest version is 2.2.5 and operating system Windows x64. Here package, I want MSI. So select the MSI package and click on download button. Download is started here. Now download is completed. So just open this folder. Here is MSI file. Just double click on it. It will start with the installation. Now see, it is showing welcome window for setup of MongoDB shell. So just click on next button. After that, it is showing path. So I want to keep this path as it is. You can change this path also. So just click on next button. After this, click on install button. So just click on finish. Open the command prompt. So type the command. In search box, type command as a CMD. It is showing command prompt. Now see, it is showing it is connected with the server, and it is showing the addresses for MongoDB and Mongo shell. Mongo shell, it is nothing but the CLI tool. Now here we want to check the databases available. So we'll type the command show dbs and press the enter. Now see, it is showing the databases available. Now we want to create our own database. So we have to use the command use and name of database. Suppose I am giving the name of database as a STD and just click on enter button. Now it is showing it is switched to db.st. Means whatever operations will perform, it will get performed in this database, that is STD. Now within this, we'll check databases available. So type the command show dbs. It is not showing st available because yet we have not inserted record. That's why it has not created document and it is not showing. So first we will create one record or collection. Collection is nothing but like a table. After that, it will show the name of database. So type the command db.CreateCollection. Again, I want to create collection and name to that collection as employee. Now see, it is showing okay 1. It means collection is created. Now we'll type command show dbs and press enter. Now see, it is showing st available. st database is available here. Okay. Now we want to insert record within this collection. So we'll type the next command db.Employee.insert 1. We are inserting first record, insert 1. So we'll insert the first record. Within that, first we want to enter the employee ID. So I will type here EmpID as 1, comma, and name of that employee. So second column will be name, colon, and value will be, suppose I am giving the name as a Dipali 1234. Now we want to check whether data is inserted or not. So we'll type the command dot find spelling mistake. So it is a PRETTY db.Employee find pretty. So just press the enter button. Now see it is showing the record and object has been created. Now we want to perform update operation on this. So type db.Employee update. Now we want to update the first record. So it is update 1. Getting first employee ID. I want to keep this employee ID as it is. So I have typed as it is. Again, next I want to change this name. For that, I will use this dollar symbol to set the new value. Space set colon. I want to set new name. So for name colon. Suppose I want to give name as only Dipali. I don't want to give as a Dipali 1234. So name is Dipali. Press enter. In between this dollar and set space is not there. Now see it is showing the updated record. Now I want to see the updated record. So once again I will type the command db.Employee.find.pretty. So just press the enter. Now see it is showing this username is updated. It is as a Dipali. Now I want to use drop command for this. So we have to type db.Employee.drop and function. Again press the enter. It is showing true. Means it has dropped that collection. Okay. So we want to check whether it is dropped or not. So type the message show collections. Press the enter. It is showing nothing. It means we have deleted data within that collection. Okay. I want to delete this database also. So for ST, type the command db.DropDatabase and press enter. Now see it is showing okay, one dropped ST. So our database has been dropped. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.